guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this poppin' ass wig. Yep, you heard me, wig. So of course I'm going to be starting bald. This is all my natural hair, and I'm going to be using MyFirstWig. Of course, you guys know these are my favorite wigs. MyFirstWig makes the best wigs. I don't care what anyone says. They are just perfect for the beginner, for the expert, for everyone. So I'm simply just going to be putting my hair in two plaits. You can cornrow your hair, you can slick it down in a low bun, whatever fits your, boat. Just get it nice and flat. And then once my hair is nice and out of the way, I'm just going to brush my edges back, and I'm going to apply a little bit of some Gots to be Glued gel to my edges. That way they don't get caught in the adhesive that I'm going to be using to lay the wig down. So I just slick this back and brush my hair back. And you guys know I do the stocking cap method. If you want a more detailed video on this, I have a link down in the description bar. But yeah, so I'm just going to be doing the stocking cap method for my hair to apply the wig. And once it's all cut, it's time to apply our wig. Like I said, my wig is going to be from MyFirstWig. It is a curly unit. You guys, look at these curls. I live. It is so nice. They're not too tight, not too loose. So I'm putting the wig on my head first to see how it's going to fit. Oh, and I'll have all the details about the wig in the description bar below. So it's going to fit on my head just fine. As you can see, it's not too small, not too big. I'm just kind of feeling it out, measuring it, all that good stuff. So then I went ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm going to pull it and flip it back so that we can lay our adhesive down, or our glue. I am using the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. You guys know this is my favorite lacewig adhesive. You can keep this on for a week. You can keep it on for a couple of days. It's just kind of up to you. So yeah, my wig came off as soon as I went to the gym that night, but that's besides the point. So I'm just using my comb to flatten it all out. And then I am lining up the hairline of the wig onto my head, and I'm just sticking it down like that. It's so easy, you guys, and I'm pulling it nice and tight. And this wig, when I say it fits my head perfectly, it fits perfectly. So like when I come over here to cut excess off, all I'm cutting is lace. I'm really not cutting any of the actual like hair, you know what I mean? I have a big old head, so it usually fits me perfect. So now onto styling. I am going to keep it in the side part that it like comes in or whatever. And I'm just going to kind of break apart the curls and mess with it, get it fluffy and big, create some baby hairs. Y'all know me. But you guys see how good the hairline looks? That's the one thing I love about my first wig is the pre-plucked hairline. Oh my god, ghost. Sorry guys, dog. The pre-plucked hairline is truly pre-plucked. Like, it is perfection. Like, the pre-pluck that they do is great. So that's what's so great about it, and why I say it's great for beginners, because you don't have to do any customization to it. You know what I mean? I did bleach the knots on the wig, but that's it. You know what I mean? But you don't have to. In my last video with them, where I showed you guys the other MyFirstWig, I did not bleach the knots on that. So, you know. So now I'm just using the pick that comes with the wig, and I'm gonna pick out the hair. As you guys can see, this is a softer curl. The hair texture is a little bit on the softer side. So I'm gonna start to kind of just define the curl. So I sprayed some water. I know you're kind of like, whoa, you look different. I put my makeup on and everything, and then I came back to my hair. So I'm just spraying this with some oil sheen and some water, and I'm gonna start snipping, cutting, cut it. Cut it. I'm just kind of giving it some more shape, just kind of trying to make the hair look good. You know, you just kind of play with the curls a little bit. And then I also added some Cantu curling cream to it, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, it's so simple, I promise. Like, MyFirstWig is perfect for those of you who ain't with all of this, all right? Like, they just, if you just want a really nice wig that's gonna look good, bow. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know all of you cannot wait to see the hair details on this hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get this really nice wig. This is gonna be my spring break wig. I don't know about y'all, but yep, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.